Assalamualaikum, hi guys. Today I'll be making a pizza video, and it's gonna be so exciting that I'm making a pizza on myself. Hi guys, and my brother, he's not a good boy here. So now let's get started. First, I'm gonna tell you how to make a pizza by saying it. First, is everybody so excited to see the pizza video? Oh, thank you guys. Good job guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make your own pizza. Yeah. You make it an adult to help you, like I do sometimes. So let's get started. Come with me. Hello everybody. Today I'm making a video about pizzas, which I'm gonna make it all by myself. Okay? So can I start making it? Oh, thank you now. So first I'm gonna get a spoon which has a plastic which you can take off. I'll do that after. First you just put, I'm not sure about this today. Well, today I'm making a pizza, so I think so. It's very hard for this. Yes, go like boom, boom. This is the last one to go. And this. Okay, so now it's good. So now I'm taking this spoon, now rubbing it all over. No, baby. Now you rub it all over. Actually, I think, oh yeah, I made it right. I can do it. I can. Sorry, baby, but no. That's my little sister here. She wants to go. No, baby. Sorry for interrupting you. So, whoa. No, you can't eat that. Once it's done, then I'll start decorating. Okay? I'm gonna make the next one. Go. Now I'm done, so now not now. Now I will start decorating. Sorry, my mom is making some of it. Okay, so now little sister. Okay, you can take it and watch it and bring it back for the next pizza I'll make, okay? Okay, you can have it. I'll make the next piece. Now I'll get some of tomato. No, little sister. Thank you, Mom. No, little sister. Sorry, that's my little sister. Now I'm gonna sprinkle with this. Finished, sorry. Now I'm gonna get some pepper or chili, whatever. Then now I'll sprinkle it. Then I'll mix it later. Oopsie. Now get some of this to do this. See this? Get ready together. Mix. Pizza. No? Big, small bird. No? Get it from there. This? I'll get some. Now I will just wait for this Mom's pizza now I'm getting some cheese. Now I will get some cheese in here. All over it. Like this. This is the pizza. So now I'll just have to get all the cheese instead. You're making the pizza! One, two. Hey, you're making it super hard. guess one small, more, one more, smaller than before. Uh-oh, I'm running out. I ran out. So. Oh. Sorry guys, I have to make sprinkles. No, little sister. Never mind, I'll just cover it. Wow, it's so cheeky. I'm sorry because the other one. So now I'm putting on some of these black olives. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Calorie. Oh, I'm putting on. We can put on pizza. Yum. This is very yummy. Now this time is finished. Now I'm putting on some oregano. Now oregano is kind of on the pizza. Now it's gonna be going on this tray. Oh, yes. Now then it'll be. Now it's gonna be my turn. Now it's. Now I'm cutting it in a piece. 1 minute, guys. I'll just get the knife. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. That's my birthday. Just joking. How about you actually put candles on cake? Yeah, I mean, how about you actually put candles on pizza? That would be slick. Ah! That would be so funny. So, ta-da! Oh yeah, let's see. Now it'll go in a plate. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for one piece. Yeah, this one. What? It's cooked for my uncle and dad. And then they can subscribe button. If you see the subscribe button, subscribe it anytime you like. Then you'll get my videos on time. Even they can be learning, fruits and vegetables. They can be jokes, gaming, learning, anything. So please subscribe. And if you want to watch more than such Shahira Sherry videos. I hope you like my pizza. Yes. If you like it, like it. If you love it, subscribe it. See you again for my next channel. Come on. Press this. Yeah, come on. Press it. If you like it, then subscribe. Bye-bye. I'll see you again for my next one. You can play games or anything. You can play pizza games. Or anything, you can brush your teeth also and have a shower and brush your teeth and brush your tongue.